Vertical 6-in-1 HIFU machine production line quality control is divided into two parts. Hifu production line quality and control process are followings. Our QC staff has undergone professional technical training to ensure that the technology is qualified. Technical staff will inspect all raw materials, accessories and finished products, all according to the corresponding inspection standards. After installing, then testing. Testing for all different working handles. Hifu handle and cartridge testing. HIF 360 handle and cartridge testing. Lipohifu handle and cartridge testing. Vaginal handle and cartridge testing. Thermage handle and needle testing. DEP handle testing. Production line display after the test. Pre-packing and packing.